Thank you again for taking your time out to watch our videos at National Gear Repair. Here's one of our other Gloucester boxes we are doing for one of our clients in the Midwest under emergency rush repair. At first we thought this gearbox might have just needed some seals as the customer was complaining it was leaking, but as you can clearly see, it's got significant damage, and we will continue to monitor this box during the repairs, do some videos and take some pictures and upload, but the bearing is completely shot, the oil slinger is gone, the thrust bearing is probably bad. Once we take out the gears or the cartridges, we can get a better visual on the thrust bearing. If the thrust bearing is savable, we will save money here at National Gear Repair. If we think it does not pass our inspection, then we would opt to purchase a new one for the customer. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Here at the National Gear Repair, all our work is warranted for 24 months from the date of startup. So if we happen to do a Gloucester or any type of gearbox repair for you, your warranty actually starts when you put it in production. So please continue to watch this video, and thank you again. Thank you once again for taking your time out to watch our videos, our short videos here at National Gear Repair. As you've seen in this video, National Gear Repair did a full rebuild for one of our top vendors out in the Midwest area. This box was done under critical emergency rush repair, which basically means here at National Gear, all hands on deck. Everybody stopped everything, all machinists, all technicians completely stopped, and we devoted all our attention to this project. This project was stripped apart, repaired the shaft steel areas as they were worn and leaking. We rebuilt the bearing wearing areas, re-hand dressed all the gearing. The gearing seemed to be in a decent condition, but we hand dressed all gearing, replaced all the bearings and seals. Our trained technicians resetted all the bearing floats and preloads to what Gloucester recommend, which is now David standard. and we replaced all our seals with the high heat Garlock seals. If anybody knows anything about the Gloucester, you should not transition over to an NTN or a national seal. It has to be a Garlock seal. That's what makes this box special and unique. So at National Gear Repair, all of our repairs, all our projects are guaranteed for 24 months from the date of startup. So if we happen to repair a box for you, your warranty actually starts when you drop it in production, not while it sits on the shelf, and not while it ships from our plant like most of the larger vendors. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we offer free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes nationwide. This is what we offer to stay ahead of our competition. So we appreciate your online activity, your questions, your responses. We like to reply regularly to our customers. So thank you again for watching, and National Gear has your back.